Got a nice Akins Ford F150 here. Did a wheel and tire upgrade. He had 18-inch chrome wheels. Wanted to just do something a little more unique. Did a fuel blitz. Looking great, 20x9. Got a plus offset here. We upgraded the tire to a Michelin 275 60/20. This is the Defender LTX MS. This is a great tire, great performance, longevity, smooth, quiet ride. Also today, what we're doing is we're doing a Belltech lowering kit. So we're dropping the rear. You don't see us do that enough. So I want to show you guys what we can do on a two-wheel drive. So we're going to lower that rear to get that nice leveled stance, just kind of a reverse level. So we're going to give him a more streamlined, better stance. Let's check out the final results. So I wanted to come back to the exact same location to give you guys the best example. Just did a 1-inch lowering shackle in the rear. Looks so much better, has a more level stance, that reverse level look. The wheel and tire that we picked out and added, that turned out great as well. Just a nice, very cost-effective wheel and tire lowering kit for a two-wheel drive truck. And we got a lot of two-wheel drive trucks. I'm kind of thinking this might be something we do more of in the future. Why is it Akins?